Watch me guys as I turn this white shirt into a pink lovely shirt. This is a simple DIY that you can do at home. Hello friends, I welcome you back again to my channel, and if you're interested in this video, please watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. You just need three things: your shirt, macaroni and your fabric spray. So here I displayed the blue and the pink, but I ended up using only the pink. When doing this DIY, it is advisable to do it outside the house. So I'll just leave you to enjoy the remaining part of the video. Wow, what a transformation. Guys, let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.